the Amazon Basic 6.5 kg fully automatic top-loading washing machine and get cleaner, fresher clothes every day. The machine is ideal for families with 3 to 4 members. This washing machine comes with a stainless steel drum with diamond design for higher spinning to give better drying of clothes without damaging them. The machine comes with 10 wash programs to get clean and fresh clothes every day. The LED display panel notifies the progress of every wash cycle and easily readable even in low light. This product is designed to deliver efficient washing with minimum vibration. With a maximum rotational speed of 700 RPM, the machine delivers efficient cleaning and also enables easy drainage of water at the end of the wash cycle. It comes with fuzzy logic that measures the wash load and automatically selects the wash cycle. The tub clean function automatically removes detergent residue from the drum to avoid unpleasant odors. This washing machine also comes with a delay start function that allows you to schedule your wash cycle as per your convenience. This washing machine has a rat cover protection that protects the machine from rodents. This washing machine comes with brand warranty of 1 year on product and 3 years on motor. You can avail the EMI